Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode, Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Converse Play CDG Low in the Quartz Blue colorway. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it, like I always do. Inside the box we have the Converse Play Comme Des Garcons CDG Chuck Taylor All-Star in the Blue Quartz colorway. It's such a mouthful, I always get tongue-tied on it. It's a CDG Play Low Blue Quartz. It's the easiest way to go by it. Converse box, we've seen this one before with the hearts and eye logo on the front of it as well. Standard Converse, massive box that barely fits on my table to actually film, but we make do, we make it work. There is the box label there, so colorway, like I say, is Blue Quartz and black. This is a UK 10 that I picked up directly from Converse. And you can pick this up currently on StockX for about £80 for a UK 10. Again, as I said in previous videos, UK listeners, this was particularly for you. If you're going to order this shoe, don't go by StockX's normal US sizing, go to UK sizing, because they will give you a UK size no matter what you choose. And I've been stuck with two UK 11s when I want the UK 10s already, so yeah, don't make that mistake. But anyway, let's get into the box and stop rambling, because I get a habit of doing that. So here we are, the shoes themselves. Obviously they're going to come with tissue paper. I get rid of the tissue paper because it stains shoes. I've told you this all before. But the shoe itself is a predominantly canvas upper, same as the other CDGs I've covered on the channel. This has a nice, the quartz blue canvas print to it with a white stitching. What really separates this from the other ones, however, is the fact that it has this hearts and eyes in a black colour. I think all the Converse CDGs up to this point in 2021, when this shoe released, were all the red and white. So these were like different. It goes with the greys as well, which I've got, which I'll cover in another video. Rubberized toe box, again, nice and sturdy. Very similar sort of Converse style to what we're used to. Got that lovely thick insole, which is honestly Converse best selling point. Wearing these to the gym or just generally wearing them out and about, these are so padded, it's like walking on trampolines, you're laughing. Typical Converse All-Star outsole with that brown colour to it. And yeah, that is about it. The shoes are the same on both sides, so no differences. And with that all being said, I think I'll jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively grow the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason, so let's talk about them. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.